wearing a gray hoodie, red pajama pants, and white Nike Air Ones with a pink check. Police are looking for Melissa Renee Salazar, white, female, 35 years old, 5 feet 03 inches, 100 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, in connection with her abduction. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Franklin Police Department. News media point of contact is Franklin Police at 97982834444. End of message.
That was quick.